our department head present, section head, our administrator, Judge Abando, employees, the PNP, the BFP, all of us, a pleasant morning. First, I want to thank, even though they are not present today, I want to thank our Congresswoman Karen Javier and Vice Governor San Javier for including Tanawan Hand Medical Mission in Haro. It was successfully na medical mission, and thank you also for the help and aton in Juan MHO and Mayor's office for attending the patients in Haro. Thank you also to all of them, especially to the Mayor's office and the MXO. Thank you so much sa iyo. Then, we get an award from Good 2025 Good Financial Housekeeping Passer. Thank you to Marvel Villegas, you are always a passer of this Good Financial Housekeeping. So, thank you so much for the accounting office and also this staff and to all the department heads and section heads. Also, in 2025, I'm one of the top performing mayors of the whole province of Lake Universo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Also to the department head, section head, also the SD member, nanatanan na iyo, ng mga empleyado. Kaya ini nga award, di rin pwede makukuha kung maray iyo, huli, maray iyo kooperasyon, maray iyo suporta. So, asya doon napinsisari na iyo always support kung hindi naman ng mayor, kahit hindi naman ko dito kumain para ikaw bubos na naman. So, let us support one another para for better and brighter than naman. So, I want to thank you so much.